Hello everyone, today we will be seeing how to write the SIC program to calculate this operation, that is delta is equal to alpha plus beta star gamma minus 10. SIC program follows the normal conventions of arithmetic operations, which says that we have to prioritize stating that multiplication and division should come first, that has to happen first, followed by addition or subtraction. So according to that, this operation has to happen first. That is the reason why we are going to load one variable, any one variable, into our accumulator first. For performing all the arithmetic operations, accumulator is used in SIC program. Accumulator is denoted by A. So into our accumulator, we are going to load the variable beta, LDA beta. That is the statement for that. And then we are going to multiply the value that is stored in the accumulator with gamma. So what happens over here? Into the accumulator, beta is loaded. And then that value is multiplied with gamma. So our accumulator, what it contains? It contains beta now, that is multiplied with gamma and stored again into, loaded again back into our accumulator A. So then what we are going to do? We are going to subtract it by 10. So for that we are going to write this statement, SUB sub 10. But what is 10? 10 is a word which has this value, that is 10. This is how we denote in SIC program. 10 is a constant and that is used to it is defined by this word TEN, this character. So we are going to subtract 10. That means the result that is there in accumulator now contains beta star gamma. Now that is subtracted with 10 and again that is loaded back into the accumulator A, and then we are going to add alpha. This result is added with alpha. Whatever was there in the accumulator is added with alpha and again it is stored back to the accumulator. So what the accumulator contains now? It contains beta star gamma minus 10 plus alpha. This is equal to the same, right? This is equal to this. And now the next statement is store the value that is there, in the accumulator into this variable delta. So whatever was there in the accumulator will be stored in the variable delta. That is the meaning of this statement. So we have to define all these variables, correct? The assembler will not be knowing what it is. So we are defining it using these statements. That is, we are reserving delta with one word in our memory. What does one word contain? It contains 3 consecutive bytes. And alpha also is reserved with one word, which means 3 bytes. In the same way, beta and gamma are also allotted with one word, that is 3 bytes each, and this is how it is stored in the memory. This is the program to calculate this operation, SIC program. Thank you.